Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. What's today? Today is Sunday. And what's Sunday? It's Shoutout Sunday. Now, I haven't done my Shoutout Sunday in a while, you know, with everything that's been going on. So I'm probably not going to do it on a regular basis, but I'm going to do it as often as I can. And remember, when you see my Shoutout Sunday, always check it out, because you never know when it could be you that I'm shouting out. And before I get going, it's Mother's Day today, so I just want to wish all the mothers out there, the stepmothers, the mothers of the furry pets, everybody, a very happy Mother's Day. So now, I'm gonna get started. Well, what channel is the diva shouting out today? Let me see. The channel name is Bake Me Up Buttercup. Bake Me Up Buttercup. Do you know who Buttercup is? Buttercup is a dog. That's right. Buttercup is she's a spaniel. And I was so fascinated by this channel that I had to find some way to do a shout out on it, because every once in a while you come across a channel that's extremely original and fun to watch, and this one is it. So I hope you'll stay through to the end, because I'm going to put a few extra clips in there, because you just have to see this channel. Well, the content creator of this channel, her name is Lindsay. That's right, Lindsay. And this channel, let's just say, it's a baking show with a furry twist. That's right. Lindsay often works with her husband, Josh. Josh does some voiceovers for her and does some filming. And as I told you, Buttercup is a dog. And she's amazing and she's funny. And everyone just loves her. So Lindsay had this idea of doing a baking show, but Buttercup would be the star of the show, and Buttercup would be doing all of the baking. So at first, you don't see Lindsay, you just see Buttercup. And I was looking at this, and I was fascinated by it. And I kept saying, how are they doing this? I mean, Buttercup's face and the mouth moving and the voice and everything. I just couldn't believe it. And I even showed it to my son, and I said, how did they do this? And he was looking at it, he goes, well, I don't know. You know, it could be robotic, you know, it could be many different ways they're doing it. And I said, but Buttercup looks so tiny. And I said, but that can't be a real person. And he's like, well, it has to be a real person. So I was just fascinated by the whole thing, and I had to look into it. Well, let me just say that Lindsay loves spaniels. In fact, she has a vintage spaniel collection. She decided at one point to drop the secret suit. The secret suit that Buttercup has. and she wanted to unveil it and unbox it and show it to all of you. And I couldn't wait to see that video because I was intrigued by the whole thing. So once she decided to reveal who she was under the suit, because that was driving me crazy. I kept saying, who is that under that suit? That's when she decided to do an unboxing of Buttercup. And there is a video on there called Buttercup's Face Reveal and Fursuit Unboxing. You have got to watch it. It's fantastic. I'll put a few photos in there so you can get a little glimpse of it, but it's really great. I just love it. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. One of the other reasons that Lindy decided to, in the beginning, not show herself under the costume was because she wanted Buttercup to basically stand alone, like stand on its own as a character. But then she thought, you know what, I'm gonna do an unboxing and unveiling, and I'm gonna show people who the creator is behind the costume. And that's what you're going to see in those videos. So yes, it's a baking show, but it's a baking show with a furry friend, Buttercup, and she is adorable. Wait till you see her face. And also, she has some great videos on there. She has Buttercup making peanut butter swirl brownies. And Buttercup makes some amazing lemon bars. Delicious. And there's a video on 3-ingredient shortbread cookies, and also how to make tasty dog biscuits. And the best part about that is, by doing that, she is also working with an organization to help shelter pets. And I think that's absolutely great. She also has, Lindsay, a little segment on there called Bits. That's right, it's called Bits. And on her Bits segment, she does short videos on a lot of baking tips and tricks. You know, the reason I do this video is to help smaller channels out, put a spotlight on their channel to help it grow. Because, you know, I always tell you, in YouTube land, if somebody doesn't put a spotlight on you, you could get lost in YouTube land and no one would ever find you. And we could all use a little help from our friends. So go on over to Lindsay's channel, Bake Me Up Buttercup. I'll put the link down below in my description box. Show her some love. Tell her the Baking Diva sent you. That's right. And by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I could use a little love too. Why not, right? So I think you're absolutely going to love her channel. I really, really do. It is the cutest thing. You'll be like me. At first, you kind of look at it and go, what? How is she doing that? When you see Buttercup using a cookie press, and one of the first videos she did, she had Buttercup making Buttercup cookies. Now, what could be better than that? And you see Buttercup mixing and all kinds of things. So in this time we're in now, where we're all quarantined in the house, we're going a little stir crazy, you want to put a little fun into your life or into your day, and you want to watch a fun video, something that'll put a smile on your face. Definitely go over and see Buttercup Baking. Don't forget, I believe the preview to her show is on there. That is fantastic. Her husband does the voiceover. The beginning of it is done in black and white, like an announcer, and it's great. Tells you a little bit about what the show is going to be about, and then you have to watch her unboxing. But like me, I watched a couple of the videos first before I watched the unboxing, and then it all fell into place. So this is the lady who's behind the mask. So anyway, I hope you're all going to watch this video. I hope you love it. Share it with your friends, especially those that have furry friends or are dog lovers or baking lovers. And don't forget, whenever you see me doing a shout out Sunday, remember, it could be you. So make sure you stay tuned. So have a great Mother's Day, everyone. I love you all. I hope to see you all very soon. Be safe and go and show Buttercup some love. See you soon. Toodles.